So can you tell me a bit about the brand Pagani?
The Pagani Automobili was born in 1999. That's my father's company. He started working for Lamborghini when he moved to Italy for 9 years. He was working in composite materials and also in the design. And then he started with his own dream, like manufacturing his dream car. The first car was the Zonda, and then we did the Huayra. And
But tell me one thing, wasn't it difficult for your father to arrange for the manpower, the finances and all the skills that's required to come out with not just an ordinary car but a supercar like the Zonda?
actually, it's really hard. But he had the chance when he was in Argentina. He had the chance to meet with Fangio, and he was really helpful for him because he presented himself to the Mercedes AMG. So thanks to that, he could talk also with Bosch and some big brands as Brembo, as Pirelli, and with a good partnership you can do that. If not, you're just alone, and it's not easy. We are not a big group as Audi, so it's not the same investments for that.
So the whole journey started in Argentina.
Yeah, he was born there, and he had his first opportunities there. He did his first sport car there, and many projects. And then he moved to Italy because in Italy you can find a really the real passion for cars, for supercars. And we moved to Modena.
Okay, so Mr. Pagani, tell me one thing. Your association with Mercedes and AMG has been there from a long time.
Yes.
And do you plan to develop your own engine in the future, or for the next 5 years is it going to be a further collaboration with AMG?
I think we will keep working with Mercedes AMG because it has the story of it. So we are not able to do it as our own company. It's a really big investment to get an engine, and we have more than 60 engineers working just in AMG for our engine. So in our company we are 55 people. That's the total. So it won't be easy to do that.
Which are the biggest markets for Pagani?
At this time we can say that the production is going to be 30% for Asia, so Hong Kong, Singapore, Taiwan, and this kind of markets, and also 30% for US. So you would find in North America, Argentina, Brazil, and then the other is going to be for Saudi. So the other 30% is going to be for Saudi, for Europe, and Ukraine, and Russia.
Are there any plans to expand into developing markets like India and maybe such other countries?
Of course. When we started with the production of the Huayra, we did the car that is able to go in every market. So it's a global homologation. If we have the chance to go to India and to many other new countries where we have the opportunity to find some customers, we will get that. Of course, we will maybe do it directly from the company, from Italy. So we don't need any dealers because the quantity is a really little company. So it's 25 to 30 cars a year.
Okay, and one big question is, of late a lot of European cars and companies have gained worldwide success. What is it that makes Pagani, and what is it that makes a supercar from Europe different from one that's made in North America? Because from North America we have the Saleen S7, which is a hugely capable car, but it didn't do very well outside its own home market. Yes. And on the other hand, you have so many good cars from Japan, which don't make the mark. So what is it that Pagani has? And after Pagani, what is it about European cars that make it so special?
When my father started with his own company, he had a person he was always looking for. That's Leonardo da Vinci, coming from the Italian Renaissance, and he was always saying that art and design has to combine together. So when you're buying a Pagani, is that you are buying a car that is mixing art and design. So it has the best quality as a technologies, but it has to have a wonderful design also. Something has to be beautiful, and when you are buying a Pagani, you are also buying a relation with the company. It's like a big family. It's like when someone bought a Ferrari and there was Enzo Ferrari that was talking with him. So most of the customers wanted to have a strong relation with us because they can talk with my father, they can talk with the designer, with his ideas. So we can carry on this kind of small atelier.
Okay, and to end things with, whom do you consider to be the competition for Pagani in this market?
There are a few companies in the world that works this kind of supercars. Of course, it can be Koenigsegg, can be Bugatti Veyron, or as a top brands as Ferrari and Lamborghini. But what is different is like we are producing just a small quantity, so it's going to be really exclusivity and something different, really customized for the customer.
Okay, thanks a lot for all your thoughts.
Thank you.